long, nasty half fender.
What's up, wheelers? So our project of the day is 2 fenders on the JK. As you can tell, those are beat. Good old nasty half, our favorite. So I already did the other side just so you guys don't have to sit through me trying to figure out how to do it. What's up, wheelers? We got some more parts for the JK. Hopefully have them on by the time we go to see it correct. Some new DV8 fenders. Pretty sweet, huh? White, blue.
We check it all the time. With the styrofoam on.
Guess where they're made? Like everything else, in China. Just hoping they work, but they are.
We were waiting months for some different ones. Still no ETA on those, so we just gave up. And got these. Holy crap.
Not even as capable as a YJ, that's costing 4 times as much. So, I'm gonna have to put them on next weekend because we're gonna do Barrett this weekend. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. It does come with some rubber nutserts now, which is not even in the direction. Comes with these things. And I called them, they're like, oh, that's a new way of doing it. Just don't over torque them. Because nobody had a nutsert tool, I guess, which is stupid. Buy one for $50, but we're gonna actually do, well, we already did nutserts on the other side. So I think I prefer that way. Literally, it's like a $50 kit on Amazon. Just feel that's a better way of doing it. So, I didn't show you guys how to unclip the rear because ours literally came off so many times. We just had all kinds of screws and stuff. But now that it's off, let's see what it looks like. And now we are going to start installation. We would be doing this with the doors open, but I don't know if you can tell. It is seriously smoky. Little California summers. Hole there, these two. This one, that one and that one, regular bolts. This one, that one, these front 3 are all nutserts. So it goes 1 nutsert, 2 nutsert, 3, 4, 5. So you gotta drill these out to whatever you're using for a cert. This one, this one. This size. Mine are 7/16. Not cert installation time.
And that's a what kind of tool?
Nut cert installer, I guess is what you call it. You get it as a kit, some nut certs and 6 different threads, 3 metric, 3 standard, 10/24, quarter, 5/16, and M5, M6, M8. Those are some certs. Link in the description. Help a brother out. Buy it, I might get a buck. It calls for 2 hours to do the rears, I'm not sure why. And 1 hour to the front. On there. This is all adjustable for how tight you want it, how far this comes out. These are all your mounting areas. These two just takes a regular bolt washers and nut. Alright, so we are going to take off this front fender. Awesome. Oh, never mind. It's already
Like the other front.
well, there are clips all the way around. There's 3 that are still on. So that's that. These are sweet. Just a few tins. Broken. basically you just bolt it up. Just a washer on both sides of the bolt. It comes with these. When I talked to them, they said you have to find your own light, maybe Harbor Freight for a running one. So at this point, I'm not doing anything. There's the rubber there. Find all the holes, film. And we'll show you the end product. What's up, dealers? This is our final product. DV8 fenders, flat fenders, Evo, corner guards. It's how much better out in the sun. Pretty easy to do both. And they look good. See how strong it is. We're going to paint them over with color too. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. So I got a cut here. You can see where we went wheeling and it's rubbing.
These two fender players?
Thanks for watching.